Mars make control panel for load test of DC shunt motor. Here we will provide one panel having voltmeter, DC voltmeter, DC current meter, RPM meter having connection is below it, line indicator, MCB, and connection for the main supply 220 volt, 3-point starter to start the motor, and below it the circuit diagram for the load test of DC shunt motor. And the other part is DC shunt motor having mechanical load is attached, because DC shunt motor have 4 terminal: field terminal, armature terminal, and loading arrangement is here. Now for the connection, first of all we will give the input supply of the front terminal given on the panel. Current meter in series, connect current meter positive to positive, negative to negative, because this is the DC, and voltmeter in parallel. Now connect L, A, F terminal of the 3-point starter. Now connect RPM sensor lead with panel on front panel, sensor input. Sensor is attached at the motor. Now we will connect the armature and field of the motor. Here we connect armature and field is connected at field terminal F1, F2. Now connection is completed. Switch on the supply backside, switch on the MCB on front panel, line indicator will glow, voltages appear on the voltmeter, and to start the motor operate the 3-point starter. Current meter show the current, and RPM meter display the RPM of the DC shunt motor. Now increase the mechanical load which is attached with DC motor. Here we have 2 load indicator. Note down the W1, W2, and simultaneously note down the current reading, RPM reading, and voltage is represent on voltmeter. Increase the load and note down the current and RPM. Here current and this is the RPM, the voltage. Now we will decrease the current will decrease and RPM is increase. Note down all the parameters, and in this way we will perform the load test of DC shunt motor. Thank you.